Hello everyone, today I'd like to share with you a force field game effect. Bring your game to life with immersive force fields, perfect for sci-fi shields, magical barriers, or protective energy walls. This package provides fully customizable force field effects that you can easily integrate into your projects. Here are the main features included: easy integration into existing projects, optimized performance with minimal impact on frame rate, reliable after-sales support, supports URP, HDRP, and built-in render pipeline, includes show and hide effects, includes hit reaction effects, comes with 6 prefabs. Shader file exposes multiple adjustable parameters, allowing you to fine-tune even more effects. Includes sound effects. Supports Android, iOS, Windows, and other platforms. Clear demo scenes included. I placed the purchase link for this asset in the video description and in the pinned comment. I hope this can be helpful to you. Creating content isn't easy, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.